from looking forward in a couple of months, what would you say the main opportunities are going to be when we get through this?
We've launched a virtual assistant forum. We are launching the PA Forum Mentor and Mentee initiative, which is something we've never had before, and that's been welcomed a lot. And I think it is just engaging, talking, speaking to people, and trying to bring those ideas to life. You know, we've had feedback, for example, a lot of the assistants have seen Lucy on the world stage, but the fact that she's actually, you know, taken some of her time to come onto a call with us in a more personal basis was just so much appreciated. The PAs really enjoyed that, and have to have that opportunity of having, you know, that one-to-one interaction with Lucy, and they were absolutely buzzing afterwards, which was great. Torie, we've been to some of Torie's parties before, which has been fantastic. We've been invited there, and we've seen, you know, the type of parties that she holds, which are just awesome. Surprised I couldn't remember that one, but it was good. And Chris has supported us. You know, he's so supportive. His team helped to spread the word. They come to all of our events. Chris was a judge last year at the West Midlands PA Awards, and is again this year, and again has been really supportive. So this collaboration between everybody just shows that, you know, I think years ago people used to be very guarded about what they did and kept their cards very close to the chest and looked at their what would be competitors. But I think if you feel really strongly about what you do, and you stand behind what you do, and you believe that what you do is right and that it's helping people, then there's nothing else really that you can think about.